Dear students, welcome you all. Today let's discuss about aliphatic amines. So, what is amines? Amines are generally organized into the categories based on their bonding environments. Amines which have one of their three hydrogen atoms replaced by an alkyl or aromatic substituent are referred to as primary amines. Secondary amines are those that have two substituents and one hydrogen bonded to a nitrogen atom. So the content of the today what we are going to discuss about the aliphatic amines classification based on the alkyl group containing it is classified nomenclature structure of nomenclature in the sense epoch system and common system structure of aliphatic amines. There is a structure of amines in that structure of amines what it is structure of amines, which hybridization, bond angle, bond length related, that preparation, uh, the different methods of preparation of amines. So let's going to the classification. What is the definition of amines? Amines, it can be recorded or the derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms which is have been replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. So this is the example of amines. Ammonia, it is one of the amines. Amines are methylamine, dimethylamine, trimethylamine. Ammonia, it is NH3. Here methylamine, it is CH3. If for example general formula it is RNH2 amine. So instead of R we can replace uh, CH3, that is. Next, classification of amines. Classification of amines based on their primary and secondary amines according to one or two, three hydrogen atoms of ammonia have been replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. Alkyl means CH3, aryl means aromatic C6H5. Okay. The characteristic functional group of the three types of amines, that is primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Primary amine, it is NH2 amino group. Secondary amine, that is NH imino group. Tertiary amine, that is N tertiary nitrogen. So what it is here, primary amines, here the amine has only one alkyl group is directly attached to the nitrogen atom. That is the example of RNH2. So that is general formula RNH2 for primary amine. CH3NH2, that is methylamine. Um, these are all primary amine: methylamine, ethylamine, aniline. Aniline, it is the aromatic compounds. Phenyl ring attached to the amine groups. Okay. Next, secondary amine. NH, that is imino group containing. Next, what it is, amine means NH2, imino it is NH. So secondary amine, amine has two alkyl groups directly attached to the nitrogen atom. So these are the example of secondary amine. The same, whatever the substitution it will get differ when compared to primary amine. So here R2NH, instead of R2 we are substituting the CH3, okay, dimethylamine, diethylamine, okay, ethyl we can write C2H5 and CH2 or CH2CH3, okay. Next, diphenylamine, that is aromatic compound. Next, tertiary amine. Here tertiary amine, what it is, that tertiary nitrogen. So, amine has three alkyl group directly attached to the nitrogen atom. Amine has three alkyl group directly attached to the nitrogen atom. Here, R3N, that is the general formula. Instead of R, we are substituting the CH3. So, trimethylamine, next diethylamine, next diphenylamine. Next, beside on these amines, we have the derivative of ammonium radical are known, which all the 4 hydrogen atoms have been replaced by alkyl groups. That is known as tetra-alkyl ammonium compounds or quaternary ammonium salt. So, the corresponding to ammonium hydroxide, we have tetra-alkyl ammonium hydroxide. So, these are the formula ammonium hydroxide NH4 OH minus. Next, tetra-alkyl ammonium hydroxide, that is R4NOH. Okay, tetra-alkyl ammonium hydroxide. Tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide, that is the example of tetra-alkyl ammonium compound, tetramethyl ammonium hydroxide, tetraethyl ammonium hydroxide. So, in that we can substitute the amine in which amino group is attached with an aromatic substituent also, alkyl group, okay, known as aryl or alkyl amines, okay. Instead of CH3, we can substitute the benzene ring, that is example, that is benzyl amine. So, here the amines of different classes show similarity in some of their properties such as basicity. However, they also exhibit different behavior in many of their properties. Next, nomenclature of the amines, that is common system. Nomenclature, that is here aliphatic amines are named in common system. First, primary amines. What do you mean by common system? In common system, aliphatic amines are named as alkyl amines. Aliphatic amines we can name this in common system alkyl amines, that is by adding the word amines after the name of alkyl group or group attached to the nitrogen. Okay. So, for example, primary amines. Methylamine, that is primary amine, ethylamine, alkyl, that is methyl, we can instead of methyl we can use alkyl. Okay. So, the adding the word amines after the name of alkyne, okay, or group attached to the nitrogen. So, that is only amines, methylamine, alkylamine, like that. Okay. Next, isopropylamine. So, that is, these are the common name. Extra secondary amines, same like diethylamine, dimethylamine, that is a simple secondary amine. Diethylamine, simple secondary amine. Ethyl propylamine, that is the single secondary amine. So, tertiary amine also, trimethylamine, simple tertiary amine. Next, ethyl dimethylamine, mixed tertiary amine. Here, when all the alkyl groups linked to the nitrogen atom or the same, amine is called simple compounds. Okay, if the alkyl groups attached to the nitrogen atom are different, it is called mixed amine. For example, mixed amine, ethyl methyl amine, that is mixed. Ethyl propyl amine, that is mixed. Okay. Next, ethyl propyl amine, mixed compounds. Next, IUPAC system. In nomenclature, IUPAC system. IUPAC system, it means the that is primary amines are named as alkylamines. Okay, in IUPAC system, alkanamines, their names are derived by removing the final E of the name from parent alkane. Okay, and adding the suffix amine. For example, here in common system, what we have discussed that amine, before amine it is coming alkyl.